Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming both devices share the same Wi-Fi. This is crucial for discovery. Once done, switch your Realme TV on and open its cast or screen mirroring option in Settings. On your phone, pull down Quick Settings or open Google Home and select the cast icon. You do this now to let the TV advertise itself. The quicker you start this, the faster your device will detect available displays. You will see the Realme TV listed. Tap its name to initiate the connection. If the TV shows a pairing prompt, make sure you accept it on the TV so the session can start. Sometimes a PIN appears, and you should type that into your phone. Once connected, choose the app or screen you want to cast. Make sure your phone allows audio and screen capture, otherwise video or sound may be blocked. This step ensures stable streaming and correct orientation. You're almost done. Confirm playback on the TV and control it from your phone. When finished, stop casting using the cast icon so the session closes cleanly. If you see lag, stutter, or disconnections, move both devices near the Wi-Fi router and close background apps. That reduces interference. If the TV doesn't appear at all, reboot the TV or phone, and if needed, restart the router. This often clears discovery issues and restores normal casting within a minute.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.